Namaskar, welcome to Vision Vaishya Voice of Community. I'm Ashok Vyas on ITV Gold. This Sunday, we bring to you a compilation of some of the top stories from last week. We'll begin with a report on unveiling of Rabindranath Tagore statue at Anand Mandir in New Jersey. We'll have a special segment of this week with Padma Shri Dr. Sudhir Parikh, followed by a report from Broadway Mall, Hicksville on Ganesh Utsav. We also bring another report on human resources and staffing strategies focused event organized by IAWEA. Ganesh Visarjan at Lido Beach also features in today's Vision of Asia, and we conclude with a somber story remembering our friend community leader Baba Atma Singh. A Prarthana Sabha was organized in his honor, in his memory. We'll have glimpses from that gathering. So all this coming up right after these short messages. Stay with us. Kavi Guru Rabindranath Tagore was a multifaceted personality, whether it is his poetry, painting, novels, music, in all the aspects of different art forms, the print of the presence of Kavi Guru Rabindranath Tagore is still visible. Nobel laureate Tagore's statue was unveiled recently at Anand Mandir in New Jersey. Here is a report on that event.
ভালো করে তুলুন তো।
Truly an honor for me to be present in this function where we are going to unveil the statue of Rabindranath Tagore or Rabindranath Tagore. I've had this privilege before of being in several other functions in various other parts of the world, including in Havana, where we put a bust of Tagore close to the sea, for he was an internationalist. He looked to the world, he was of the world. But today is very special. We are bringing Tagore to one of the most diverse states in the United States. And we are bringing Tagore to link the largest democracy in the world with the oldest democracy in the world. And for that reason, it is Tagore, the internationalist, Tagore, the polymath, Tagore, the naturalist, essayist, educationist. You know, he was everything rolled into one. He belonged to India, he belonged to Bangladesh, and he belonged to the world.
To all our viewers of ITV Gold, a very warm namaste from here, Anand Mandir in Somerset, New Jersey. We are gathered here to unveil the statue of Rabindranath Tagore. It's a great pride for us that we are part of this beautiful celebration, and hope his blessings, his teachings will continue to guide us in building a better tomorrow for all of us. Thank you.
I'm so happy to be here with you today because we are celebrating a great artist, but we are also celebrating something that is beautiful about the United States and about New Jersey, as the Consul General alluded. We are celebrating this great community as a meeting place of cultures, as a place where people who come from 1,000 different places around the world can come together, learn from each other, and recognize that our diversity is our strength, not a source of conflict or difference. I'm so happy that this statue of Rabindranath Tagore will be here for generations as an inspiration for everybody who comes to this beautiful temple. It's a reminder of something that is beautiful about America and beautiful about New Jersey, that this is a diverse community that brings people from dozens of different cultures and parts of the world together so that we can learn from each other, so that we can celebrate our diversity as a source of strength.
The temple being here didn't happen by accident. Lots of beautiful people, part of the planning and construction, the finances, but lots of beautiful people in Franklin Township. We want you to come to Franklin Township. Bring your jobs, bring your children, bring your businesses, and of course, bring your faith and your beauty. Back then, I didn't know that I was going to be in politics. If I become the mayor of your hearts, that's good enough for me. But so happens I got into politics along the way. But I did not come up here alone. I have a team. Now, at the top of the team is Congressman Malinowski. He is critical to be always elected to office. If you have questions about that, please go back to Google, January 6th, Washington, D.C. Tom Malinowski is the man that we need to make sure gets elected. But also next to me, I started off with Rajiv Prasad, who makes sure I'm at the temple every time. He's also the one that tells me things that I had to say in the different languages and the culture, and I got so many outfits at home. I can't believe I'm in an American suit.
I would like to congratulate Santosh Mukherjee and his team for such a beautiful temple. You know, I'm here for last 50 years, but the first time I came to see the complete whole thing, you know. And when Rabindranath Tagore is my most favorite guru. And I'm glad that you invited me, and I thank you for that. And our good friend Mukherjee, he's doing such a great work, and I would like to see him one time mayor of the Jersey City, and more. And Assemblyman Joe Daniel, welcome to our temple.
Thank you.
And this is a real has a lot of history here. I'm sure Raj will tell you exactly what it how long that history is.
It's an honor to be here. This temple is right around the corner from my house, and I was proud. I was one of the planning board members who approved this temple to be here with extra consideration for your parking lot and everything else. But to be surrounded by such nice, beautiful people on a commemorative day like this, to celebrate the intellectual work and life's work of what I consider a genius is today. There's nothing like today. Thank you.
And now time for This Week with Padma Dr. Sudhir Parikh. This edition brings to you his analytical thoughts on the significance of the visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi with these delegates to USA.
And now time for weekly show with a passionate India lover, Chairman of ITV Gold and Parikh Worldwide Media, get ready for loving sharing from physician, philanthropist, publisher, and India advocate in this week.
Namaskar, I'm Ashok Vyas with Panshi Dr. Sudhir Parikh. Dr. Sahab, namaskar, welcome.
Namaskar, namaskar.
And this week is very special for, I would say, for the whole world in terms of the important meetings that are going to take place in USA, New York as well as DC. And talking specifically about this visit and significance of Prime Minister's visit to USA with a high delegation, what do you think about its importance?
Well, I think it's very, very important. United Nations General Assembly meeting is very critical for the world leaders to meet. It's a great platform for all the world leaders to meet each other and resolve the or air their concern and discuss the issue which is important to them in person, and therefore I think this United Nations General Assembly once a year in month of September is very, very important gathering, and we all are glad that our Prime Minister Narendra Bhai Modi is coming personally to attend this meeting this year. And not only United Nations meeting, but also he is also attending Quad meeting in Washington DC. He's being invited by President Biden to attend the Quad meeting, which is he's going to meet President Biden, Prime Minister of Australia, and Prime Minister of Japan. And this meeting is very critical because these four countries are the countries, group of the countries which kind of work together to prevent or standardize their action of plan of action to stop the Chinese aggression in the South Asian Sea.
Absolutely, absolutely. Doctor, very, very important points, and he's also coming with high delegation, and we'll talk about the significance of the presence of National Security Advisor Ajit Doval ji along with the Foreign Minister with him. But let's talk a little bit about United Nations, and every year we have this United Nations General Assembly meeting where leaders come, they express their concern as well as they share their ideas. Now, in the aftermath of what we have witnessed in Afghanistan, and if I also relate with the way previous President Trump was questioning the efficacy of functioning of United Nations, how do you see the role that is being played by United Nations is effective?
I think United Nations role is very, very important and very, very critical. That's the only platform we have where all the countries of the world, 170 countries of the world, have a platform together. It means they can come together, they discuss, they meet each other, they resolve their issues, and if necessary, they can all work together, plan together, and fight against the terrorism. They can also, United Nations is very important for helping the humanitarian aid to the countries where they need it. Also, it's also very helpful and very important for the education in the developing countries, and also very important for the political and social and cultural program of the world.
Absolutely, and if we look at the teeth that United Nations have, it doesn't have, of course, full-fledged force yet. It has peacekeeping force, and it also requires resources which are contributed by several countries, and the major chunk probably is coming from USA. Do you think the world body should collectively think to make United Nations more effective and empower it with resources, and potentially by having more powerful force at its command?
Yes, I think so, because United Nations, if can be funded properly, can be funded more than what getting funded funds from the different countries. I think United Nations can play a very important role, both in the to help the other countries socially, culturally, health-wise, as well as kind of military-wise.
Absolutely. And now let's shift our focus towards the Quad meeting, which is going to happen at White House, Australia, Japan, India, America, and I believe this time United Nations Secretary General will also participate. Overall, they'll be following up on the previous discussions which was held virtually. What do you think would be India's ideas, suggestions, thoughts that Prime Minister is going to share, again considering the instability in that region?
I think India's role is very critical because India is a very important country in that region. India has directly has stake in that South Asian Sea, and what China is trying to do is trying to kind of claim that a certain part of the South Asian Sea is their own territory, and I think these Quad countries are going to defend that. They're going to make sure that China does not get that undue advantage for their aggression.
Absolutely. Now, Dr. Sahab, I take this opportunity of seeking your input on the way Prime Minister Narendra Modi's birthday was observed this year, and of course, as every year, he worked regardless of this day being his birthday throughout the day, interacted with a lot of people. And also, there were 2.5 crore Indians who got vaccinated on one single day, a world record. Share your feelings on, of course, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's birthday as well as this special accomplishment.
Well, I mean, last Friday was Prime Minister Narendra Modi's birthday, 71st birthday. And on behalf of all Indian Americans, I would like to convey heartiest congratulations on his birthday, and we wish him many more. And during his birthday, as we know that there are 2.5 crores vaccination is done in one day, and that's a great achievement, and that's a great boost to the overall vaccination in India. And India needs to be vaccinated as soon as possible, at least one dose of the vaccine, so to curtail the pandemic or prevent other third wave or of the pandemic.
And I would also seek your input on a few important developments in Indian state politics. But before that, the presence of Ajit Doval makes people wonder, is there something deeper than what is visible to the eyes? So considering his interaction with his counterpart here in USA, do you foresee any special strategic understanding that would evolve or which is likely to evolve between India and USA, considering the Afghan situation? And there were news references mentioning that USA is seeking India's cooperation and it wants to make use of Indian land as its military base. Your take on this possibility?
I think Mr. Doval's meeting with the counterpart here in USA is very important, and I think it's necessary because since now Afghanistan is in hand of Taliban, which is known to be a non-terrorist group, and therefore to prevent that terrorism worldwide, I think this meeting is very important. Now about USA troop in Indian land, probably India may not agree on that because India is at the end of the day a sovereign country, and I'm sure they don't want any foreign troop in their own land.
We'll probably be concluding now, but I just want to mention in this connection that we have heard a lot of stories about TMC acting in a way which is potentially threatening for common man as well as other party members, and one may guess that perhaps it is out of the need for their own safety in West Bengal that they feel they'll be safer if they are with TMC rather than with BJP. So that's one comment. And as we conclude today's conversation, Dr. Saab, once again, your thoughts about Prime Minister's visit and anything that you may want to add to that, as well as your parting words for our viewers.
Well, dear friends, I would like to, on behalf of Indian American community, would like to welcome with the full pleasure to our Prime Minister, Honorable Narendra Modi ji, into the USA. Hopefully, he will meet quite a few world leaders, and also during his Quad meeting in Washington, it become fruitful how to kind of defend our country against the aggression of the China, as well as aggression or terrorist activities of the Taliban. So let's see, hope for the best, and we wish him all the best to achieve whatever agenda and whatever important issues he has, and he can get more help from the United States, from the President Biden, to help the Mother India. So with that, I would like to say goodbye. We'll see you next week. Thanks for joining. God bless America. God bless India. And God bless Indian American community. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Namaste.
Namaskar.
Indo-American Festivals successfully organized third Ganesh Utsav at Broadway Mall this year. Lot of people from different ages took part in this celebration, which included dances, singing, of course, pujan, kirtan, and chanting of mantras. Many politicians also came to witness this joyful celebration. Here are some highlights.
मंगलमूर्ति गजानना मंगलमूर्ति गजानना।
बहुत सुखद अनुभव रहा है इस वर्ष। विगत 3 वर्षों से इस उत्सव का हम सभी लोग, भारतीय लोग, आनंद ले रहे हैं। मैं किन शब्दों में इस अनुभव को व्यक्त करूं, वो शब्द कम पड़ जाएंगे। इसलिए मैं आप सबसे आग्रह करता हूं कि केवल भगवान गणपति के चरणों में प्रार्थना कीजिए, उनकी ब्लेसिंग, उनका आशीर्वाद प्राप्त कीजिए। और मैं आप सबके लिए, जो यहाँ उपस्थित हैं और जो यहाँ उपस्थित नहीं हैं, उन सभी भारतीयों के लिए, भक्तों के लिए भगवान गणपति के चरणों में विशेष प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि गणपति की कृपा हम सब के ऊपर बनी रहे और प्रतिवर्ष हम इस उत्सव को इसी हर्ष और उल्लास के साथ मनाते रहें। धन्यवाद व्यास जी।
Every parent bringing their child to such activities, it's not that they don't have time. Half the time kids are very busy with their own homeworks and computers and iPads and iPhones, but they should feel that come out for an hour or two in a week to be part of these festivals, which they know about their heritage, their culture, and clearly be going into their own self. And spirituality is so important, which is really the force of Sanatana Dharma. Everybody should be proud of being a Hindu, and by being proud, they just, resonate that pride to their children, their family, and their extended family. Jai Mata Di.
Thank you very much. Everybody has already spoken, but for me, Ganpati is very, very important, because what he did was he made the mother the gift of God. When he was asked to go around the world, He went round the mother and he said, this is the mother, this is my world, this is my universe. So that's very important. Thank you.
अशोक जी, आपने सुधीर जी के लिए मेंशन किया. सुधीर जी के लिए हमारे लिए बहुत बहुत दिल में बहुत ही शुभकामनाएं हैं. वो बड़े अच्छा शुभ काम कर रहे हैं. अगर आप उनके लिए काम कर रहे हैं तो सुधीर जी इज डेफिनेटली डूइंग अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क फॉर द इंडियन कम्युनिटी एंड वी आर वेरी थैंकफुल टू सुधीर जी. आई नो हिम फॉर लॉन्ग टाइम and he's a very good person. He believes in our religion, he believes in our culture, and that's what he's trying to do through ITV and through Ashok ji. That's what I can tell. Sudhir ji, you are not here, but we remember you all the time. I am a doctor, you are a doctor, and we understand each other, that whatever we are doing, you are doing more than what we can do. Thank you, Sudhir ji.
कि मुझे आज हिंदी की एक कहावत याद आ रही है, और एक्चुअली संस्कृत की, ईश्वर यत् करोति शोभनम करोति. भगवान जो करता है अच्छा करता है. मैं प्रोफेशन से डॉक्टर हूँ और आईसीयू को रन करता हूँ. पिछले 1.5 साल से कोविड के साथ बहुत फाइट की है, पेशेंट्स को बचाया है. लेकिन पिछले 5-6 साल से मैं हिंदू धर्म, सनातन धर्म से काफ़ी ज़्यादा जुड़ गया हूँ कि अपने लोग जो यूएसए में रहते हैं उनके बच्चों को और उनके ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन को हिंदू धर्म की कैसे शिक्षा देनी है, उस काम में मैं और मेरे साथी काफ़ी जुड़े हुए हैं. और ये जो गणेश महोत्सव हम कर रहे हैं, ये 1, 2 या 3 लोगों का परिश्रम नहीं है, बल्कि हमारा पूरा जो ग्रुप है उन सब का बहुत हार्ड वर्क है. 15-20 लोग कई महीनों से काम कर रहे हैं, और हमें खुशी इस बात की है कि काफ़ी लोग इस बार इस महोत्सव को मनाने के लिए आए हैं. इसको देख के इतनी प्रसन्नता होती है कि यहाँ जितने न्यूयॉर्क में इंडिया के लोग बसे हैं या पैदा हुए हैं, उन्होंने इतना ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट शो किया है इस बार कि हमें बहुत खुशी हो रही है. और ITV के देखने वालों को मेरा ये प्रणाम है कि उन्होंने हम सबको ये शिक्षा दी है या प्रोत्साहन दिया है कि हम ये करें. और हम चाहते हैं कि बाकी सब लोग यहाँ आएं और गणेश जी से आशीर्वाद लें.
सब मिलजुल के सेवा किया और सब ग्रुप बहुत अच्छा है, और सब एक दूसरे का ख्याल रख के सेवा किया है बापा की.
नहीं, बिल्कुल बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. लगता है कि हम सब लोग वापस उसी रिदम में आ रहे हैं जो पहले थी, और भगवान करे कि ज़रूर ऐसा हो कि हम सब उसी रिदम में आए. So we pray for everybody's safety and good health, and it has been nothing but a sincere pleasure to be a part of this function, and I have gotten to know everybody through this function quite well. It's been a real pleasure to be on a committee with Mrs. Damayanti Goyal, with Anjali Gunmaste, with Meena Goyal, with Dayaban helping as volunteer, and with Meena helping as volunteer.
मैं तो बस ये कहना चाहूँगी कि गणेश उत्सव की वजह से हम हमारा इंडियन कल्चर लेके आए हैं. स्पेशली द चिल्ड्रंस हु आर कमिंग, दे आर सीइंग इट्स सो अमेज, क्योंकि ये आज तक इस तरह का लाल बाग राजा गणपति है, इस तरह के बड़े गणपति केवल उन लोगों ने मूवीज़ में देखा है. फर्स्ट टाइम दे आर सीइंग दिस इन अमेरिका.
I would like to say, like, today was very windy in the morning, but because of Ganeshi everything worked out well, so we are lucky with that.
We will take positive energy from you, and especially Dikshit ji, we will miss his chanting. That I'm gonna miss a lot. And now everybody is enjoying. We have a good friend circle here. We are all unite, and it will be better than next year.
Welcome back. You're watching Vision of Asia, Voice of the Community, and this program comes to you Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursdays at 8 p.m. Yes. And weekly edition of Vision of Asia is presented every Sunday at 11 a.m. We appreciate your continued support and love for us, with the request to stay with us. We'll be right back after these short messages. Indian American Women Entrepreneurs Association organized an event which was focused on human resources and staffing strategies. Indeed, very apt theme for entrepreneurs. Here are some highlights from that event.
Good evening, everyone. It's a pleasure to be here today evening with the IAWEA Women Entrepreneurs Association. They're just rocking. I'm so proud to be a board member of this great organization where it's like a power place where all the powerful women have come together for a noble cause. And not only encouraging the existing entrepreneurs, but they're also motivating and inspiring for more women to come into the entrepreneurship. I'm Usha Krishnakumar. I'm a senior partner with New York Life. I'm an attorney by profession. I did my Masters of Law from Cardozo Law School, and I was previously taking care of compliance and standards for New York Life, New Jersey office. But currently in my role as a senior partner, I'm proud to recruit talent for New York Life, mentor them, and assure a successful career for them with New York Life. And I'm very proud to be here. IAWEA has gone to different level and heights, and during this COVID, they were taking care of the community needs, supporting charities, and taking care of a lot of good stuff for the community. And I wish Nimisha ji, Seema ji, everybody all the very best. And as a proud board member, we are here to serve our community. Thank you so much.
This is Elaine McLean. I'm the Regional Director of the New Jersey Small Business Development Center at Rutgers, New Brunswick. I'm here at the Indian Women's Business Association meeting, and I just gave a speech on the concept of small businesses and the need for good human resources management systems. We expressed to the group of budding entrepreneurs that it is so important to make sure that in their strategic plan, in their organizational planning, that they do include human resources in order to meet their goals. Thank you so much for having us.
Hi, I'm Rachna Soin, trustee of IAWEA. And a very warm welcome to everyone who's watching. And as you can see, we are having one of our events today. And at the moment, I want to draw your attention to the fact that we're giving a lot of priority to the COVID situations which many of our members are facing. Today, we are in fact going to give a $10,000 donation to one of the members of our organization. And this has been given by Q and Answer Lab, and we are very excited about that. And we have also done a lot of QuickBook classes free of cost for our members to help them improve their businesses, and that has been given to us by Science CPA, by Ajay. And we are in the process of creating another Excel courses free of cost, for which we will be giving degrees to our members to help them in these COVID trying times, giving them as many facilities as we can to improve their business, to take it to the next level. Thank you so much. Greatly appreciate it. Please come and join us. This is women empowerment all the way. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Arun Anand, and I am a proud board of director in IAWEA Association, empowering women business owners. So I really want to thank Mr. Sudhir Parikh and ITV to take a part, to take their time to come here to cover this event. I really appreciate your association with the women organization. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Priyanka Shah. I'm an executive board of directors here at IAWEA, which stands for Indian American Women's Entrepreneurs Association. And the goal of our organization is to help encourage, collaborate with women entrepreneurs and give them the tools and resources they need to succeed in their business. We are the voice of Indian American women, and if you're an entrepreneur, if you're looking to get started, we also help with commercial loans, we help with guidance, lots of tools and resources. Please do reach out to us at iawea.net. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I'm so glad to be a part of Women Entrepreneur Association, and I would like to thank Mr. Amish Patel for supporting the association and Indian Women Entrepreneur Association to support Hot Chili's entertainment, especially Dr. Namisha Shukla ji, Minnie ji, and all team. They are always with me and support my business to bounce back in this pandemic.
The concluding part of Ganesh Utsav also includes Visarjan, and that Ganesh Visarjan from the Ganesh Utsav organized at Broadway Mall was held at Lido Beach. Devotees were there and they participated in immersing of Lord Ganpati's form. Here are some highlights from that event.
Take a slight right turn.
Okay, Mr. Vyas is here, the chief guest.
नमस्कार के साथ में गणपति बाप्पा मोरिया का जो उद्घोष है उसके आनंद के साथ गणेश विसर्जन का ये लीडो बीच पर जो आयोजन हुआ एकदम भाव से भरे गए सब लोग। और अतुल जी विग्रह को स्वरूप को गणेश जी के लेकर जो जल में बहुत अंदर तक गए और आप भी गए, तो आपको कैसा लगा?
जी हम बड़े भावुक रहे हैं। ऐसा लगा कि जैसे हमारे घर में 3 दिन अतिथि आए थे, उनको हमें भेजना पड़ा। बस एक भावना रही है कि गणपति बप्पा मोरया अगले बरस तो लोकरया, बस ये एक भावना से हमने उनको भेजा है। आप सबका जो आप हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं, अशोक जी और ITV गोल्ड का हम बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं।
अरे धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद, थैंक यू।
पॉइंट लुकआउट बीच, वेरी अपसेट आफ्टर वर्शिपिंग 3 days। गणेश बाबा को हम लोगों ने पानी में विसर्जन किया, वेटिंग फॉर हिम टू कम बैक नेक्स्ट ईयर। इतना प्यार से उसको पानी में डुबा दिया हम लोगों ने उसको, तो बहुत बहुत दुख लग रहा है हमको। 3 दिन से हम लोग ने इतना मेहनत करके पूजा पाठ आरती हवन सब किया। अभी अगले साल गणेश आने तक वेट करना ही पड़ेगा हमको। बहुत दुख लग रहा है, बहुत दुख लग रहा है।
तो ये दुख की बात के बाद में जो खुशी की और इसका जो मर्म है, तो हमारी जो सनातन संस्कृति है, जो हिंदू परंपरा है, उसमें सृष्टि स्थिति लय करने वाला वही एक है। तो जब आप गणेश चतुर्थी से गणेश जी की आराधना करते हैं, तब भी ये बात आती है कि वो सृष्टि करता भी है तो वही संहार करने वाले भी हैं। और ये बात हमारे जीवन में जो यज्ञ चक्र है कि जो आया है जातस्य ही ध्रुवो मृत्युर, उसको जाना है, वो तो लौकिक दृष्टि से लागू होता है, पर उसको अलग तरह से अपने में पकड़ने के लिए भक्ति के साथ में जो प्राण फूंकते हैं गणेश जी के स्वरूप में, उनके साथ में एक संबंध, जैसा कि अतुल जी ने बताया, जैसा कि बीना जी ने बताया, वो हो जाता है। लेकिन फिर भी जो अनासक्ति का भाव हमारे जीवन में आए कि हम किसी बात के साथ बंधे नहीं रहें, वो सिखाने के लिए गणपति की ये जो लीला है इस रूप में हमारे युग में चल रही है। और उसका एक बहुत ही विलक्षण आनंद से भरा हुआ, सबके प्रेम के साथ जुड़ा हुआ आयोजन जो ब्रॉडवे मॉल में हुआ और फिर उपसंहार आज यहाँ 3 दिन के बाद में हुआ है पॉइंट लुकआउट पर लीडो बीच में। अतुल जी आपको धन्यवाद, बधाइयाँ। बीना जी आपको भी बधाइयाँ।
We all come and we all go, but the way we lead our lives leaves undeniable marks on the hearts of people around us. Atma Singh was such a joyful, charming personality, always active in celebrating as well as serving. He also initiated car studio with his son that again became a medium to serve the community. He was playful, he was a friend and a noble soul. At very young age we lost him. There was a prayer meeting held in his honor in New Jersey. Here are some highlights from that gathering.
Om Mrityorma Amritangamaya Sarvesham Swastir Bhavatu Sarvesham Shantir Bhavatu Sarvesham Mangalam Bhavatu Sarvesham Purnam Bhavatu लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिना सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे
आज हम उस इंसान को याद कर रहे हैं जो इंसान अगर संभव हो सके तो अजर है, अमर है। देह छोड़ गया, शरीर छोड़ गया, लेकिन जो कुछ उन्होंने जीवन में हम सब के साथ शिरकत किया वो एक सुनहरी याद बन के हमेशा के लिए हमारे साथ है।
We are here at Albert's Place in New Jersey to celebrate the life of Atma Singh Ji, who left this world a couple of days ago. A man who radiated life, a man who simply lived and celebrated life is gone, and the people gathered here could feel the loss, and people paid him rich tributes, describing him variously as a fountainhead of joy, as a fountainhead of hope, as a community leader, as a friend, and as a benefactor of the people.
साहिल मिल जाते हैं हर कोई, मगर याद हो हम नसीब वाले थे कि अपनों को आत्मा से जैसा दोस्त मिला था। हम नसीब वाले थे, आत्मा जी को अपने को मिला था। फूल कभी दोबारा नहीं खिलते, जन्म कभी दोबारा नहीं मिलता, जन्म कभी दोबारा नहीं मिलते हैं लोग हजारों, मगर कम्युनिटी की सेवा करने वाला आत्माराम जैसा कभी नहीं मिलता। So God bless him, bless his family, God bless their children, wife and kid. It's not easy. They are the person going to suffer so many things, all memory. You have to be good, strong, stand and try to whatever you can do in his memory.
And anytime I needed
because I respect him so much. Because anytime I need say, आत्मा सिंह एक ट्रक की तरह समझता है, तो तुरंत इधर आके मुझे मिलने चाहता था। एक दफ़ा छोटी रस्सी मुझे चाहिए थी, मैंने बोला आई विल टाइड, उधर से भाग के आ गया ना, बोलता कि ये रस्सी है, सो ही वाज स्मॉल। मैंने बोला एक बार तो जॉक्स में बोला था, बुरा नहीं माना सरदार जी लोग, मैंने बोला कि साला तुमको तो वीजा ही नहीं देना चाहिए अमेरिका में सरदार जी लोगों को, तो साला गुजराती को खाने के हमको नहीं करना। मैंने बोला इंडिया का स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट आदमी है हो आप लोग इंडिया से चले जाएंगे तो इंडिया का रखवाला कौन करेगा? मैंने बोला यू आर द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट पीपल इन इंडिया, यू शुड बी इन द मिलिट्री टू प्रोटेक्ट आवर पीपल, टू प्रोटेक्ट द Gujarati. We Gujarati go out and make the money and help you.
We need more leaders like Atma Singh ji who bring the community together. So with that, my condolences to the family. We are deeply saddened. FIA is here. In due course, we will do our part to recognize his contribution to the society at an opportune time, and we extend the invitation to the family. In the meantime, if there's anything we at FIA can do for you, we are only a phone call away or an email away. Feel free to reach out to us. We are there with you wholeheartedly and our full support.
I came to know the condition of his health. I decided to go and see him. Earlier I couldn't go because of my own issues, but then I called Junaid Bhai and found out about him. Rather than delaying it, I decided I just go and see him today. That was Monday. Monday, in fact, they told me that no one was allowed to see him at the hospital. So I requested Junaid Bhai to get permission so I could see. We spoke to Jab and somehow I got to see him. And I couldn't believe what I was seeing. Anyway, I was glad I saw him that day because 24 hours later I heard that he was no more. And it really hit me hard. And there are no words I can say to describe our relationship. That when I say our, it was my husband and I both had a very fond relationship with him. And rather than repeating anything that everybody has said, I would just like to say that some people come into our lives and leave footprints on our hearts, and we are never the same again. Thank you.
My dad was a great community leader, great father, great friend, and it's a big loss, but I know that he wants everybody to move on and do good in themselves in their own life. And thank you all for coming, it means a lot.
तो सर ये सबके लिए, इस कम्युनिटी के लिए, हमारे समाज के लिए, हमारे हिंदुस्तान के लिए, हिंदुस्तान भी छोड़ दीजिए, वो तो ही वॉज इन्वॉल्व इन बांग्लादेश, नेपाल, पाकिस्तान, वो सारी सबके साथ था वो। तो अब आप लोगों का जो सिर्फ हम लोग यही कर सकते हैं कि उसकी लेगेसी कभी ख़त्म ना हो, उसकी जो उसने समाज के लिए किया, हम लोग भी कोशिश करेंगे। लेकिन सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ ये है कि आप सबका आशीर्वाद जाप सिंह के साथ हो। ये बच्चा अकेला है और इसके लिए आप सब आशीर्वाद दें, इसके अच्छे फ्यूचर के लिए, और ये भी अपने बाप के कदमों पे चल रहे हैं कि इसमें हिम्मत हो और यही कम्युनिटी के लिए करें। तो कम्युनिटी के अंदर हमने एक बड़ी अच्छी चीज़ देखी, आपके पास कितना पैसा हो डजेंट मैटर, आप कितने एजुकेटेड हो डजेंट मैटर, लेकिन जब आप कम्युनिटी के अंदर इन्वॉल्व रहते हैं तो आपका पैसा नहीं होता, आपका एफर्ट, टाइम और आपकी अच्छी शख्सियत वो करती है।
Thank you TV Asia and thank you ITV for covering this event, right? तो यहाँ पर आप लोग हमेशा, मुझे याद है कितने सालों से जब भी बाबा आत्मा सिंह के 2 इवेंट तो वो डेफिनेटली हर साल में करते थे, 15 अगस्त और 26 जनवरी। तो आप हमेशा उनके साथ रहे हो और आपने हमेशा उनके इवेंट्स को कवर किया है। सो थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Atma Singh will be missed. With prayers for the departed soul. Time to conclude today's Vision of Asia, a voice of community. But before that, as we remind you every week, we have ITV Gold's Facebook page. Be our friends there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and keep writing to us, events@itvgold.com. Take care. Thanks for being with us. This is Ashok Vyas. Namaste.